Hi, I'm Rob from National Windscreens. I'm the technical lead. We're here at our National Windscreens Training Centre in Leicester, where we train our technicians to fit glass and do stone chip repairs, as well as perform ADAS calibrations. Before using Core Diagnostics as our supplier for remote calibrations, we used to have to rely on sending vehicles to the main dealer for calibrations after we'd replaced the screen. And this caused frustration to our customers and also took extra time in booking additional appointments, where by using Core Diagnostics we can get the customer served in-house in one appointment. We did some research and contacted several remote solution companies, and Core Diagnostics became the better fit for National Windscreens with their knowledge on ADAS calibrations, their customer service and their willingness to succeed. We had a Bentley Continental in one of our workshops. The Bentley dealer was miles away, so Core Diagnostics came along. They were able to calibrate the camera, and they even stayed open late so we could complete the job and get the vehicle back to the customer. They adapted the way that they did the billing to National Windscreens. They used to bill individual jobs, but this was making extra work for our accounts department. So they moved it to weekly and monthly billing, which made it a lot easier for our accounts department and a lot easier for us to follow. They've also implemented a portal system for us to download documents at the branch level, and they've also adapted other systems as well to make our lives easier at National Windscreens. What makes Core unique for us is their ability to adapt to our needs as a company with their innovation, their expertise and their knowledge. I can pick up the phone and I can call Martin or Mark or Neil, and they'll always answer, and they're always helpful and always friendly. We were trialling remote diagnostic equipment in the UK for another company, which is based abroad, but unfortunately in the end they weren't going to bring that system to the UK. So Core Diagnostics were able to fill the void in a service that we found useful, and it was available in the UK. The onboarding process was effortless. Within a couple of weeks we had the initial equipment in the branches, and the technicians were trained and the systems were set up ready to be able to use. With technology changing on cars continuously and the large influx of Asian manufacturers to the UK market, Core Diagnostics stay one step ahead, meaning that we can keep our customers happy. If you're looking into using Core and you're sitting on the fence, we don't just have Core Diagnostics here in Leicester, we use them in 100+ locations around the UK as well. And to me, nothing speaks more of recommendation than that.